हमारी जनरेशन ने फिर हेरा फेरी मूवी को एज अ कॉमेडी देखा,
21 दिन में पैसा डबल।
लेकिन कुछ लोग हैं जो इसी डायलॉग को बिजनेस मॉडल बना चुके हैं। पर आप ये जो देखते हो, हाई रिटर्न्स, अकाउंट हैंडलिंग बाय एक्सपर्ट ट्रेडर्स और एक्सपर्ट गाइडेंस और प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग ऑफर्स, इन सब के पीछे का सच कुछ और ही होता है। Hi, I am CA Prajakta Patel, and today in this video, I'll explain how this Telegram account handling scams actually work, what are the red flags to watch for, and how you can protect yourself. We will also be discussing about the legality of these services, importance of SEBI registration, and how to report such scam if you come across one. Let's begin with how these scams usually start. So, randomly, you get added to some Telegram group or you receive a private message from some stranger. This stranger could be anyone pretending to be a SEBI registered investment advisor or a PMS provider or someone claiming to be working for a well-known brokerage firm. These messages usually sound tempting and urgent. They say things like 100% profit in 1 week, personal account handling by expert traders, limited slot, so on and so forth. But once they grab your attention, they offer to handle your trading account. This usually comes with profit sharing model. They ask you to share your credentials of your trading account. In some cases, they might also ask you to sign power of attorney, giving them full control over your trades. In return, they claim to trade on your behalf and generate weekly profits. These profits are shared, 70% for you, 30% for them. Sometimes they also offer a trial period where you are shown fake profits just to gain trust. शुरुआत में सब कुछ सही लगता है, कुछ प्रॉफिट दिखाते हैं, थोड़े चार्ट्स बेचते हैं और आपको लगता है कि ये सारा कुछ काफी जेन्युइन है. But after showing you few successful trades, they start creating a sense of urgency and push you to add more funds. With time, they increase the size of their trade and start taking higher bets. And soon, your account starts bleeding. और एक दिन आप ये देखते हो कि आपके अकाउंट का बैलेंस ऑलमोस्ट 0 पहुंच गया है और आपका ये सो कॉल्ड एडवाइजर कहीं पे भी ट्रेसेबल नहीं है, ना रिवर्ट कर रहा है मैसेजेस को, ना फोन कॉल्स आंसर कर रहा है. और उस वक्त प्रिंसिपल और प्रॉफिट तो छोड़ो, पर आपके हाथ लगती है डिसअपॉइंटमेंट और फ्रस्ट्रेशन. दिस इज द हार्श ट्रूथ बिहाइंड दिस सर्विसेज. Let's talk about legality of such services. These Telegram account handling services are completely illegal. No one is allowed to trade on your behalf except the person is registered with SEBI for PMS provider. PMS मतलब Portfolio Management Services, जहाँ पे minimum ticket size is ₹50 lakh as per SEBI regulations. These scammers are unregistered, unregulated and untraceable. They operate outside the legal framework. And they abide by no rules, no regulations and no policies by either SEBI or any other regulator in that case. इसीलिए ये समझना काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आपके एडवाइजर के पास either SEBI या किसी और रेगुलेटर का रजिस्ट्रेशन हो. Let me tell you, SEBI registration is not just a formality. It means that your advisor is not just accountable to you but also accountable to SEBI. These advisors have to comply with SEBI's strict rules and regulations. They are answerable if something goes south. And just because they are watched by SEBI, they are monitored by regulator, it gives you a sense of legal protection. On the other hand, these scammers who are unregulated, they face no consequences on their part when they vanish with your hard-earned money. It is because उन्हें किसी भी regulator का कोई डर होता ही नहीं है. And that is why it is very important before taking any advice or handling the control of your trading account to anyone, please verify if such person is either registered with SEBI or any other regulator. To do that, here are 2 official links that you can use. One is for the SEBI registered intermediaries and second one is for the investor support. These links are also available in our description box. Please refer to them before making any decisions regarding investments. Now, if you've already been approached by such scammer to handle your account, or if you've already fallen into such scam, here's what you can do. Number 1, and most important, do not delete your Telegram chats. This is the primary evidence. Number 2, you can report such account using Telegram's in-app reporting option. Number 3, You can raise your complaint to SEBI using their scores and Smart ODR portal. And number 4, if there has been any financial loss to you or your data have been misused, then you can log your complaint to National Cybercrime Reporting portal as well. ये सारी स्टेप्स लेने में थोड़ा समय ज़रूर जाएगा, पर आपकी कंप्लेंट कहीं ना कहीं तो लॉग हो जाएगी. So to sum up, anyone offering to handle your trading account over Telegram for profit sharing is not doing it legally. They are doing nothing but put your hard-earned money and your trust at risk. So be careful with who you trust, verify the credentials, and never share the access of your trading account or sign any document without a proper legal clarity. Be cautious and be informed. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends.